Eco-friendly tableware made easy. This is our ZCE tableware production line. Fast, clean, and 100% automatic for your big orders. Comment info below to start your eco-factory today.
ZCE 1111 is a fully automatic pulp molding tableware machine designed by Hanson Pulp Molding technology, integrating the core processes of forming, hot pressing, trimming, and stacking. The forming station adopts a quantitative grouting design, effectively solving the problems of pulp deterioration, dirty circulation, and weight deviation. Dynamic pulp replenishment and aeration function can ensure the concentration when the equipment is turned on. Based on high-precision liquid-level components and reasonably optimized control programs, the template size is 1.1 meters, maximizing the layout of various products, and the height of 1.2 meters makes it more convenient for production personnel to maintain and replace molds. The maximum pressure of the hot pressing station can reach 60 tons, and the trimming station can reach 70 tons. The frame is made of national standard square tube Q235B steel plates welded together, and is equipped with a reciprocating mold transfer design using servo lead screws, ensuring the stable durability of the equipment in long-term mass production mode. The flipping mechanical arm can effectively reduce the waste of edge materials, while also improving the overall equipment utilization rate. Intelligent PLC, precise regulation of mold temperature, current monitoring and heating tools, analysis and management of production data. Above all, functions further optimize the production process. The equipment covers a small area, which greatly facilitates the layout of standardized factory workshops, and its output rate per unit area is at the forefront of the pulp molding equipment industry.